Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and yes, there is blood in the streets, and the chat is going wild over this blood in the streets because some of our favorite tokens out there are dipping right now, my friends. And yes, it's pretty difficult to watch. I've got the tunes back up and running. Can you hear the music? Let me know if you can hear the music. I think people miss the music, a little bit of silence. I like to have it for the intros, for the Q&A, a little bit of tunage for you guys a little bit. So today, guys, got a lot to talk about. There is a Donald Trump meme coin that people are talking about. Is this really launched by him? Is this really not? I don't think it is. Let's talk about it. What's going on with it? Let's talk about how crypto is more mainstream than it's ever been before. You've got both the Trump and the Biden campaign snuggling up to cryptocurrency, along with super PACs donating insane amount of money towards pro-crypto agendas. Looking at other things out there, guys, we've got a red month for June, followed by potentially what could be an absolutely explosive July if the Ethereum ETF does what we'd like it to do. And I do think that with this blood in the streets right now, this would be a good opportunity to DCA into your favorite projects. We got to talk about this idea of whether or not we are in a bear trap right now. Are we in a bear trap? Yes or no? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Leave some comments, guys. Throw some questions at me. Let me know, can you hear the music? Is the music audible? I want to know how you guys are doing out there today. What's the vibe, guys? Again, I think these are incredible opportunities. The big question of the day is, will altcoins recover with this crypto market red alert? Will Bitcoin go to 73K or 60K or 59K, should I say, next? Let's talk a little bit about it, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So take down this music. We'll go ahead and boom. Okay. I don't know if you guys could even hear that music. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below. But let's get in. Let's present. Let's share the old screenaroo here and get into it. Boom. All right, guys. So today you've got Bitcoin, which is down to 65. Oh, hey, it's up a little bit right now. Oh, no. It's down. $64,675. Oh, you could not hear the music? Okay, cool. Cool. Good to know. Good to know. Then I'm not going to have music today. I got to figure that out, guys. I've got a new way I'm doing these streams, and so trying to figure out the best way to go about it. Got to figure that out. So anyway, Bitcoin is down to $64,500, down 2.8% over the last 7 days, down 1.36% in the last week. But here's the deal. By the way, thank you, John. Appreciate that feedback. But sure, Bitcoin's down, but Bitcoin dominance is up. And this is something that's very, very real. A lot of people are talking about Bitcoin dominance right now. Maxi, my partner on this channel, has talked for a very long time about Bitcoin dominance achieving 60%. What does that mean? Well, when we talk about Bitcoin dominance, we are talking about the percentage of all the money that's in crypto and what percentage of that is invested in Bitcoin specifically. Many people were looking at the 60% Bitcoin dominance level and expecting that to come. And we are still on the way to that. And that is something that is very reasonable. And we've seen Bitcoin do this in the past. Some people are wondering, is the Bitcoin bull market over? I think the answer is a strong no. All we have going on right now is Bitcoin dominance climbing. And how is that playing out? Well, it's happening as Bitcoin is consolidating up in this range, my friends. And I've changed this range a little bit now because you got to adapt with the times. It was kind of like this before, right? We were kind of trading in this range. This is how it felt. Tic-tac-toe, up and down, and that could still be at play. But now I'm kind of seeing what might be some kind of wedge forming. It's very loose, guys. It's not perfect, but let's kind of see how Bitcoin shakes out, because what is really going on right now is something very, very interesting. Bitcoin, historically, let me take away all my trend lines, it's just going up and to the right, okay? Just going up and to the right. Now, if we put back some of these trend lines, you can kind of see what game we're playing. Previous all-time high. We have previously dipped below this all-time high and seen some lower levels. We got down to what, $56,000 back in, what is this, May? Here we are in June now, and Bitcoin is at $64,700. And as Bitcoin is consolidating now, altcoins are crashing, and Bitcoin dominance is doing what? It's going up. People are moving their altcoins into Bitcoin right now, which, as a just example, that would be a bad idea to do with a chart like this. Now, looking at Crocoin versus Bitcoin, if anybody is selling their CRO tokens for Bitcoin right now, historically, this is literally the worst time in the history of ever to sell your CRO tokens for Bitcoin. And I only say that because this is just one coin as an example. Looking at its valuation versus Bitcoin, it is at its all-time low, and it wicked lower. In fact, it hit a new low versus Bitcoin. It hit its all-time low versus Bitcoin, and right now it is sitting at its previous all-time low versus Bitcoin, something which admittedly I did not expect to happen for CRO. I expected it to take a higher low, which was right about here. But now we made a new lower low, and there are other altcoins that are shockingly low versus Bitcoin, one of them being Ethereum, which had a nice move up because the Ethereum ETF is approved, right? And we'll look at ETH versus BTC real quick and see what's going on with that chart. Ethereum is coming down versus Bitcoin. These are the weekly candles, my friends. And so consistently and very, very consistently since July of 2021, Ethereum has just been losing its value steadily versus Bitcoin. It is down 36% versus Bitcoin since July of 2021. And many other altcoins are sharing the same story. Crow is a good example of one that's really hurting versus Bitcoin. But this is not unique to other altcoins out there. There's many altcoins that are struggling versus Bitcoin right now in a very real way. Not surprising. This is how these crypto markets work. It goes back to that Bitcoin dominance, my friends. And it is very real. We could see Bitcoin dominance go up to 60%, which could mean there's more pain for altcoins ahead, or it could simply mean that Bitcoin is going to get a pump while altcoins stop the bleeding without pumping necessarily. Just stop the bleeding and Bitcoin rips, which could be the next move here. And that could also come with Ethereum, given that we're waiting for that Ethereum ETF, which is going to go live maybe in July, less than a month from now. July 2nd is the rumor. Let's see how it plays out. So that's something to keep an eye on. So that's what's going on right now with the market. Bitcoin trading to the side, actually a little bit down even. Altcoins obviously hurting much, much more. 30%, 32%. And these are just the top 100 coins. This isn't even looking at coins in the not 100. Some of these things are down 80, 90% right now, right? That's how these meme coins, that's how these altcoins roll. On the flip side, when Bitcoin rips and you get a true altcoin season, will altcoins recover? Yes, altcoins will recover at some point. Will all altcoins recover? No, not all altcoins have as good of a bull market as they did in the past. And not all altcoins that pump and dump then return to those highs. The good ones should, right? And that's utility projects first and foremost. And then popular meme coins with large communities behind them could hypothetically also rally back and have a beautiful altcoin explosion. But are we going to see a 72K Bitcoin or a 69K Bitcoin first? Well, no doubt there's a good opportunity to be trading right now while Bitcoin is playing around with these ranges. If you haven't signed up for Blowfin already, our $30 sign-up bonus has expired. But we've got a new bonus coming. We're working with the exchange on this, so stay posted, guys. Be aware of it, though. This is a nice exchange to buy the dip, to trade on this volatility if you want to check that out. But what can we expect for Bitcoin next? We can expect, my friends, for more of this range to be continuing to get decided on. I do think that maybe this wedge is something that we could see continuing to play out. Let me go to the daily candles on this. Yeah, I mean, this could potentially be a true wedge. Maybe even the wedge is down here, kind of testing, rejecting off the top there, bouncing there. So the bottom of this wedge would be hypothetically 62K. So I see 62K as a very feasible option for Bitcoin. However, we could bounce off the 64K level because there are some big time liquidations that are on the menu here. Oh, you know what? I just realized that my charts weren't even shown. Look at that. Look, just isn't that beautiful? Hold up, guys. Let me fix the world over here. Hold on. I got to share the entire screen. My bad, guys. My bad. Fair enough. Got it figured out. Okay. Sorry about that. So Bitcoin is trading in these ranges. Okay. Boy, oh boy. You missed a lot of the TA there. That's okay, guys. Dealing with this new streaming software is fun. 62K would be my range. So here we go. Again, I'll show you again. I kind of redid my ranges here, guys. And we were kind of looking at a range like this for a while, something in here, though this kind of got invalidated there. So I'm leaning less towards that and more towards the possibility of there being a sort of wedge playing out like this for Bitcoin right now. As you can see, there's the top. Obviously, we've bounced a couple times around there, and maybe we even need to adjust the top of the range, right? So we'll see. Boom, something like that maybe. But we were kind of bouncing off the bottom of it here. Now we bounced off the top of it here. And we kind of have this tic-tac-toe moment. So again, 62K would be kind of my target. Could 60K happen? Yes. 60 or 59K could happen. Again, maybe it comes as a wick, kind of like we saw here. And then boom, big recovery. Let's see how it plays out. This was some pretty interesting ranges over here, 50K. I don't want to even talk about 50K at this point until that's relevant. I don't think it's relevant yet. Instead, what I really think is happening is I think we're in this bear trap moment. This is kind of what I'm thinking we're seeing right now. I think we're kind of in this bear trap moment right now for Bitcoin. And so what you see, guys, is this moment was at the turn of the new year. There was a little bit of a dip and a shakeout, right? We had the October hype kind of rallying up, accumulation. This is Bitcoin ETF hype right here, my friends. How's it going, Art Man? Good to see you. Sushi Satoshi, appreciate you. Yeah, maybe we could talk about your meme plays later. We'll see. I don't know about that. Cool it with the meme coins. Thanks, Sushi. Appreciate it. But yeah, I think that the hype on the Bitcoin ETFs that was happening in October was kind of climbing us up here. This is what we had. The accumulation zone. Bear market was over here. Accumulation, a little bit of a move up. Bitcoin ETFs looking like they're going to happen. Bitcoin ETF rumor comes, big move up, and then, oh, it was fake news. We had a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a shakeout, probably right around another FOMC meeting, honestly, is probably where that was. And then kind of turn of the new year, and then the Bitcoin ETFs go live, and then boom, this is kind of what we had. And look, let's not just use this beautiful little chart. Let's look at Bitcoin itself, okay? Let's look at Bitcoin itself. This is what I'm saying, guys. Here you go. You come out of the bear market. This is that accumulation phase right here. There's that accumulation phase. I mean, I obviously no better accumulation phase than the bottom, but there's your accumulation phase. And then you have your, here you go, your October, right? What is October? This was October. This was the rumor of the Bitcoin ETF for BlackRock that was approved. It wasn't approved at this point in time. But then you had, boom, bullish excitement. And then you had, just exhaustion at the end of the year and a big sell-off, a very big sell-off. Boom. This was a huge sell-off, 21% sell-off. That's a pretty big sell-off for Bitcoin after a very epic move to the upside. Boom, big sell-off. I believe that move right there was this shakeout right here. Okay. So again, I believe that this move was this move, or perhaps it could have been right in here. This could have been the shakeout as well. So regardless, I think then, we move into this next leg up. And if you look over here, this is exactly what we had. And then we have another dip into a bear trap, which I believe this is that bear trap. There's so many people that are saying, sell all your crypto now. Sell it all now. Sell it all now. No. Did you take profit? That's cool. Did you exit the crypto market before this renewed optimism, FOMO, and euphoria stage, the parabolic bull market that we've all been waiting for, that very beautiful moment? West Texas Crypto, 5 gifted crypto report membership. Shout out to the legend, West Texas Crypto. That guy gives so many memberships on this channel. Congratulations to all 5 of you that just got that gifted membership. What does that mean? If you are a follower on YouTube, you're watching us on YouTube. If you are a member, you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea. Becoming a member, also just a great way to support the channel. If you appreciate the effort we put in, day out, and you want to support us, that's one way to do it. Shout out to you. Blessings to West Texas Crypto. Blessings Ledge. I don't understand that one, but appreciate you. But again, so we are in this moving upward stage. And do you really want to miss this renewed optimism, FOMO, euphoria? I mean, look, guys, when you look at the overall market cap, how could we say the Bitcoin bull market's over when we haven't even seen the overall market cap break $3 trillion? Guys, the overall market cap should be breaking $3 trillion at some point in this bull market. And the bull market's not over, in my opinion, until we break through this. And so I've had this little weak red line drawn for a while, just vaguely drawn of, hey, I think, okay, scooping down, still kind of there. I think it comes back up. And, this line really was a decent line because then August and then into like September time frame, right when my baby's due, I have a little girl on the way. I can't wait. I'm going to be a dad. It's terrifying. It's exciting. Very excited. But I think that we could get a boom in July, potentially with the Ethereum ETF hype, and then get this move continuing back up. But guys, people talking about the bull market being over, no way. No way. I could be wrong. Nothing's financial advice. You guys know that by now. But I more so think this is that bear trap. This is that bear trap. I think we have a renewed optimism stage coming probably later this fall, maybe starting in July. That would be awesome if it started in July. And I still think that this bull market's going to be the best in like late new year, turn of the new year, 2024, early 2025. It moved a little bit. I thought it was going to be the fall, but now with this bear trap forming and this kind of extended, really back on track for a regular bull market is kind of where we're at right now, to be honest with you guys. Wheelchair Mafia is calling me a perma bull. Well, I mean, Wheelchair Mafia, I hear what you're saying, and I get, I am a perma bull, but I only in the sense of, are you telling me that you don't think that the overall market cap is going to achieve new highs just as it's done in every single bull market? Are you telling me that this time it's different? Because typically the people that say this time it's different, those are the people that end up with egg on their face. Those are typically the people that are wrong. And if this time it's not different, then we're still got a lot of bull market left. So that's really my mindset on the matter. But I understand and I respect your opinion. And Carlito says we're all perma bulls here. And if you're not, well, then I don't know. Are you watching YouTube videos in hopes that the price goes down? You know what I mean? I think we're all hoping the price goes up. Unless you sold it all, then you're hoping that the price goes down. And now you're playing a game that is not the DCA HODL game. Now you're playing I think I'm smarter than the market game. And that's pretty dangerous as well. He's the perma bull as well. Much love. Yeah. But look, I have some perma bull in me for sure. Up, John 316 says. Yeah, well, guys, until the overall market cap achieves 3 trillion and goes to 4 trillion and 5 trillion, I couldn't even begin to explain to you why it should be a bear market. Because look at all the news, and let's get into some of the news here. So first of all, let's talk about something that's very bullish. Look at all the, oh my gosh, there is billions. There might be $30 billion ready to maybe get liquidated at the 72 to 75K level for Bitcoin. So again, what comes first? 72K or 59K for Bitcoin? I hope I put 50. Did I put 59 on the thumbnail or 69? I meant 59. So what comes first? Well, there's a lot more money that doesn't want to get wrecked, but could get wrecked at 72 to 75K. But there is billions of dollars that could also get wrecked at 60K. And then many billions of dollars at 50K and many more billions at, 41, 42K or something like that. But this, pretty exciting. These could be very, very bullish. We'll see. We'll see, my friends. Yeah, by the way, smash the like button if you haven't done so, if you're watching on YouTube, and tap that little heart on Twitter if you haven't done so already. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. This is the Crypto Report, live streams Monday through Friday for you guys. I'm going out of town this weekend to a bachelor party for my brother-in-law to be in Colorado Springs. Looking forward to that. Going to do some whitewater rafting, a little bit of golf. That should be nice. But how can we call this bull market over when there's now rumors of Trump launching a crypto token? Is this true? Is this happening? Well, here's the news, guys. There's a token that came out, DJT, and here it is. Boom, and it's crashing. Be careful with this, guys. I believe that this is a potential scam coin. I would avoid it at all costs. People were saying it was launched by Donald Trump. Then they're saying that it was launched by Baron Trump. I do not think that that is verified. I think that this thing could be rugging as we speak. But there's no doubt that people are looking to see if Donald Trump wants to launch a meme token. We saw Iggy Azalea, so many others launch meme tokens recently. Andrew Tate. Okay, so, Donald Trump launched a meme coin. By the way, let's look at how the Daddy token's doing right now for Andrew Tate. It's getting crushed. Just like everything else. Memes are down, alts are down. That's just how she goes, my friends. That's just how she goes. So we'll keep an eye on that. But the facts are the facts, guys. Why would we think the bear market is coming again? Or why would we think the bull market is over when we're seeing news articles like this come out? Trump and Biden shift strategies to compete for crypto voters. They're shifting their presidential election campaigns to go pro crypto. This is unbelievable. This is historic stuff. How could anybody think that this is bearish? That makes no sense to me. Why would this be a bearish thing? We see crypto super PACs spending $2 million on attack ads targeting a New York lawmaker who is anti-crypto. This guy voted against 3 pro-crypto bills in the last 30 days. The money, the big money from the industry is going towards pro-crypto ad campaigns. It's going towards presidential election campaigns. Donald Trump wants to build a crypto army. What? This is wild. This is a wild time. Crypto super PACs. Did you ever think that there would be crypto super PACs? I did. A lot of people didn't think there would be. I did. I told you guys, and if you've been watching the channel, let them know in the comments. We are one of the channels that consistently has been saying that crypto's about to get political. How many times those words came out of my mouth? It's unbelievable. But I didn't expect it to happen where both sides of the aisle will go pro-crypto. It makes sense to me now, though, because the largest financial institutions in the world, like BlackRock, like Fidelity, and some of the biggest banks in the world are investing in pro-crypto deals. And so what's the future? It's a crypto future. And so you've got people that maybe you didn't expect to be pro-crypto going out as pro-crypto. Everybody's pro-crypto now if you want to get elected. And that's just how it is. So why would the bear market be coming? Why would the bull market be over when we see so many bullish things? People are so bearish today. Bitcoin is just 5% away from hitting a new all-time high in Argentina. And matter of fact, for the US dollar, all us folks here in the USA, or maybe you're somewhere else in the world. How far away are we from all-time high? Only 14% away from an all-time high, and people are flipping bearish right now. It's so emotional. It's so emotional. Bitcoin has done so tremendously well. So tremendously well. It's still up 314%. Imagine if you were just as emotional here. And some people were. Gareth Soloway. Does that name ring a bell? This guy was saying that Bitcoin was going to collapse. I think even here too, he was doing the same. Guy was so wrong. And look, you're trying to make trades. People try to make trades. Why would I go bearish here or here or here when I expect this to happen? When I expect this to happen? What is this? This, my friends, bear the sell away. Gosh, that's great, Ron H. Oh, that's good. There's your previous all-time high from 2013. What happened in the next bull run? It surpassed the all-time high in a huge way. Then the high from 2017. What happened in the 2020 bull market in 2021? It surpassed the all-time high in a big way. Why is it going to be any different? What's bearish about this narrative right now? Presidential election candidates talking about crypto, congressmen, senators talking about crypto in a pro-crypto way, people that were anti-crypto people literally passing away, moving on into the next world because they were so old, like Charlie Munger, rest in peace, Charlie Munger, but passed away believing that this digital gold, that Bitcoin was rat poison. What a sucker. What a fool. But it's just because it's something that he doesn't get. It's just something that he doesn't understand. And that's fine. He was 102 years old or something like that. But why would we not have another bull market where the overall market cap breaks to new highs? Bitcoin truly breaks to new highs. I'm not talking about this early wick above the previous all-time high. This came earlier than we expected. Bull market was ahead of schedule, as everybody said. Fine, that was true. But as we consolidate to the side, this brings us increasingly back on schedule. Good afternoon, WCB. Carlito says, we've waited almost 3 years for this. Can't get shaken out right before the parabolic phase. Yeah, I mean, what kind of YouTube channel would this be if all of a sudden, what kind of investment strategy would it be to say that, oh, there's going to be a breakout through all time? I've got such strong conviction on this thing, and then I'm going to completely change my mind. Look, you can change your mind, guys. We can change our mind, right? Especially on meme coins. You kind of have to pivot sometimes on meme coins, especially take profit. But for Bitcoin and the overall cycle, and by the way, I think meme coins are going to recover, and many are going to go way higher and make people tons of money at some point. But when does that all happen? But it's going to happen when this parabolic phase happens, and it just hasn't happened yet. Again, a great opportunity to trade. Check out the affiliate links in the comment section below. Blowfin, there was a $30 sign-up bonus that has expired. Congratulations to all you guys that took advantage of that. You just had to deposit a little bit of money and sign up, and boom, you got some free $30 to leverage trade with if you want to do that thing. But there's another bonus coming, working on that with the exchange now. We'll keep you guys posted on what we get next. Might be doing something crafty. Too early to say anything. Can't give anything away, but I think I got something exciting cooking for you guys. So stay posted on that. But again, Bitcoin is just 5% away from hitting a new all-time high in Argentina. How could anybody be bearish right now? Okay, fine. June's down 3.69%. So look at April. It was down 14%. What if you sold in April? You missed May. That would have been a bummer. What if you sold, let's see here. Okay. What if you sold in September of 2020 thinking that the bull market was over? Then you missed out on 27.7% gains, 42.95% gains, 46.92% gains, 14%, 36%, 29%. We could have that come. That could happen in September, October, November, December, January, February, March of next year. That could happen in July, August, September of this year. October could be bearish. November could be bullish. December could be bearish. And then we could have more bullish months. I don't know how it's going to play out, but I do know that the Ethereum ETF is coming live potentially in July. That could be a very bullish event. Let's say that doesn't happen. Maybe July becomes a really bloody month and August is still tough. And then September, maybe we flip bullish. October, maybe we flip bullish. And then November, maybe the most pro crypto president ever is elected. And then boom, parabolic bull market. I do think that Donald Trump getting elected is more bullish for crypto than Biden getting elected. But Biden is talking pro crypto too. So that gives us hope as well. Ron H says it's all mind games. The news is just distracting everybody from the goal. Absolutely. Absolutely. Ed says, Crypto Kid, what do you think about Memarium, the first crypto insurance? I don't know anything about that. Crypto insurance. What does that even mean? I sell insurance for a living. I can't even imagine crypto insurance. Who's going to give insurance for that? There are some specialty agencies that do some ridiculous kind of insurance, but I don't know about that. What is that? Decentralized insurance? Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Anyway, Ron H is asking, does Crow with Knife offer yield staking? I think it does. You just got to enter the liquidity pools. Oh, this chat. I love it. I love it. Throw some questions at me, by the way, if you haven't done so already. Don't forget this. This is a good post by the moon. Just again, for all you bears out there, if anybody's bearish today, just remember things can go down. These are painful times. My portfolio is way down. I'm depressed about it too, my friends. Don't be fooled. I'm an optimistic guy. I'm a positive guy. But am I sad that my money's going down right now? Yes, I am. I got a lot of volatile assets. I got a lot of risk on plays right now. More than I care to admit, but it's true. I've got a lot of risk on plays. My portfolio is bleeding big time right now. Everybody has the right to their own strategy, though. A Bitcoin-only strategy is the safest, easiest strategy. No thought about it. Buying some of the top altcoins, also easy to do, though those are getting hit hard today. And the meme coins are extremely difficult in times like these. But if this bull market is still planned and still coming, and we're going to see new all-time highs achieved for the overall market cap in Bitcoin, this is a good visual to understand what we have coming next. Notice this, though. These are the halvings. And then you have a bull market after the halvings. We are waiting for that bull market after the halving. It should be coming soon. It could take a couple months. But do notice that there are diminishing gains for Bitcoin, which is why I think people continue to chase altcoins so crazily, which is why Pepe went so high up in the air, which is why Bonk and Dog with Hat went so high up in the air, Crow with Knife, Mary Token, all these things pumped. And they're dumping right now because there's fear. Oh no, Bitcoin's not going to go up after this happening. Who's thinking that? Who's actually thinking that right now? Jim Cramer? Are you Jim Cramer? Is that how you want to think? You want to think like Jim Cramer? Bearish Soloway? Is that what you want to be like? You know? Guys, Ron H said it. Buy the dips. Stick to your guns. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Nothing I say here is financial advice. I'm a guy on the internet. And that's the truth. I'm trying to make it just like you guys. Me and my partner, Black Sea, we've been in this market since 2016. We got a lot of experience in crypto. We make some great plays. Sometimes we make some bad plays too. That's the reality of it. You're not going to win everything. You just need to win more than you lose. I do think that there is a bear trap that is what we're dealing with right now. I don't think that we are in the lower high breakdown. We haven't had any of this. We still have all this ahead of us, I think. And that is very exciting, my friends. That is very exciting. Paul Bustamante, what does the dollar collapsing? What does he know? Dollar collapsing. That's what he likes. He likes that collapsing dollar. You're right. You're right. Those traditional assets. So be on the lookout. Bitcoin dominance is climbing up. That's cool to see. We got Crypto West in the chat. It looks like he's a content creator. Good to see you in the chat. Appreciate you. Content creator myself. I know the time it takes to keep pumping out the content and keep people updated. Just want to say, keep up the good work. Crypto West, maybe you didn't expect this, but let's take a look at your channel, bro. Let's take a look at your channel. Let's see what you're doing. I appreciate content creators as well. Brand new channel. Good luck to you, brother. The grind has just begun. 100, you got 29 videos. You got 161 subscribers. Go share some love, friends. Oh, he's a Crowcoin guy. Love it. Share some love, Crow fam. Go subscribe to Crypto West. I don't know anything about him. Not financial advice. I should look at his channel before I tell you guys. But it's nice to support your community. So, hey, good luck on the grind, brother. Keep up the good work. Nice thumbnails. Love it. Looks good, man. Good luck. We got a bull market coming. I believe it. I believe it. All right. So let's do a little bit of a Q&A, my friends. Let's do a little bit of a Q&A. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and see if I can get some music playing. We'll see what happens. You got it, brother. When did you start the channel, Crypto West? Yeah, no, I mean, I love a good story. I love man, we've got 20,000 subscribers almost now. Let me just tell you, Crypto West, and to anybody out there, any of you, whether you have a Twitter account, whether you want to make a YouTube channel about crypto, maybe you want to make a YouTube channel about cooking, maybe you want to make it about travel, maybe you want to make it about fashion or makeup if you're a girl, to the 1% of our audience out there, maybe you want to make a YouTube channel. The key is to never stop, never quit, continue, and do something that you're passionate about. If you're passionate about it, and that's real, and that's authentic, people will follow you. People will listen to you. Everybody's got to make their own opinion. You got to do your own research, folks, especially in these crypto markets. But even if you're buying a makeup brand from an influencer, do some research. Make sure those products are tested, right? Make sure there's good reviews, all that stuff. But anyway, my message to you, Crypto West, is, good luck. Keep the grind going, my guy. Do not stop. Do not stop. There's always haters in the comments. There's always haters, always, in everything we do in life. That's just how it works. But do not stop. And, when we started this channel, me and my partner, Black Sea, we thought there was a chance that we could have the progress that we do have right now. And we believe that we're going to hit 100,000 subscribers one day. And one day we believe that we're going to hit 1 million subscribers. And the only way we can achieve that is to just keep going. It feels surreal that we're already at 20,000 subscribers, but it didn't come overnight. It took a lot of patience, and it took a lot of learning. And you can do it. Anybody can do it. So I believe in you. Just sharing some love with a stranger in the chat. Why not? Why not? So let me know, guys, if this music plays. All right. Peter Dell says YouTube is hard work, can drive us stir crazy. Yeah, it is tough. It is brutal, especially at these crypto markets. Like when these markets are down, it's tough to make content, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Like a day like today is more difficult than a day where Bitcoin is pumping. Got to keep people focused. Got to keep people excited. Justin Lowe in the chat. Good to see you, Justin. Welcome, welcome. Luke wants to know where the guitar is at. Can you guys hear this music, by the way? Let me know if you can. If you can't, let me know as well. Luke says today is the day to ape and to marry. I hope so, man. I hope so. Ooh, Ed, I do not want to pull up a pre-sale at this point in time. I do not want to pull up a pre-sale at this point in time. Crypto West says it's been a grind. I'm mainly here for the Crow Fam community. I do appreciate the advice. You had been a huge impact on why I started my friend. Hey, brother, I hear you loud and clear. appreciate that. I'm glad to hear that. Others inspired us. You know, first it was George from Cryptos Are Us. I watched him every single day, twice a day, every single day. I still watch him quite often. I still like George. And then I was listening to, you know, Oscar Ramos about Cronos, and I was like, you know, oh, no music. Too bad, because I don't really want to share this screen. I don't really want to share the screen for that. Bummer. Yeah, I got to figure it out. This new app I don't like. I mean, me just streaming through OBS was probably better. I don't know. We wanted to go over to Twitter as well and stream on Twitter as well. But now I don't really like how the music is missing because it kind of fills in a lot of this space. So we can do a nice Q&A, chit chat a little bit with the audience, play the game, have some fun, you know. So unfortunately, my music is not working yet, but we'll get the music up and running. I'm looking at adding something new soon. I got to pay for this thing, so I'm gonna get some copyright free music soon. It's a shame I got to do some copyright free music because I got some tunes that I really like that I'd love to bop around with you guys with and just kind of hang out. But anyway, I've been live for 40 minutes, a little live stream, and man, hey, again, good luck, Crypto West, man. Keep the grind up. Like to see you're doing the thing. Guys, that's all I got today. Look, I think we're in a bear trap. I think this is a good time to trade. Personally, sign up on our YouTube channel for Blowfin using our link down below. Right now, I think the sign-up bonus is expired, but we have a new sign-up bonus coming. Let me know what you guys think about that exchange, by the way, if you've done that. Mike Honing is saying, still buy and hold Crow. That's your call. I don't think that you're selling Crow for Bitcoin right now because it's at its all-time low versus Bitcoin. I think it should be rebound against Bitcoin. I've acquired plenty of Crow. I don't really need to acquire more Crow at this point. I think there's going to be many opportunities to acquire Crow if you think that, you know, you want to get more Crow. I think that Crow is going to be a firework explosion at the end of this bull market. Matter of fact, I think that many of these altcoins aren't really going to pop off until the end of the bull market. So it's kind of a game of there's a couple trades, there's a couple buy and holds. Crow certainly stays as a hold for me. In my mind, if you love Cronos and you want to hold this token, I think it's going to have a good bull market, but you could make the argument that maybe there's some other horses that you want to play with in the meantime. That's your choice. That's everybody's own choice. You got to do your own digging, my friend. You got to do your own digging. Artman says 20 more minutes. Oh, I can't. I got to go. I got some more work to do, but you are a member. Yeah, welcome, man. You are a member. Gift as of West Texas Crypto, the legend. Got you a gifted membership. So go and get access to our private Discord. Link your Discord to your YouTube channel, and you can enter into our private chat. Mike Honing is asking if I do have a price goal for Grow. $1. Let's start at $1, maybe $2 to $5. We'll see. But that's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the DCA HODL. And remember, guys, nothing's financial advice, but we're going to keep the content coming. This bull market is not over, in my opinion. Screen record that, screenshot it, whatever you got to do. Let's see how it shakes out, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on the market as well in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one. See you next time, y'all. See you, Carlito, Ball, Bustamante, Luke, Crypto West, Ed, Peter, Ron H, John 316, all y'all. Sushi Satoshi, Gonk, welcome. Thanks for joining. Ron H, Wheelchair Mafia. We'll see you later, guys. Peace.